How to reset Bluetooth on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, move into Bluetooth. Once you turn on the Bluetooth, if you want to reset any one of them, then scroll down and then click on this eye icon right beside the Bluetooth that you want to reset. For that, click on Forget this device and then tap on Forget device. Once done, try reconnecting to the Bluetooth device. Once you're done, go back and then head over to General. Scroll all the way down and move into Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. You need to select Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode of a device and once again tap on Reset Network Settings. Once the network is reset, it means that the Bluetooth has also been reset. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.